Before we continue, we had a little bit of a pit stop break while we're waiting for the water dry, and I got this cute delivery or whatever from Rakaya's Cakes. Guys, look at these cakes. Just a mini break before we continue with the rest of the room, but we got this beautiful box, which by the way I'm loving. Like, I'm a sucker for cute packaging. I love, that's why I have so many like boxes. This is cute and it's red velvet. We gonna try this. Is their Instagram. Yeah, we gonna try these cakes. Oh, I really don't want to ruin the packaging. Okay. Oh my god, did I whip it? Like red velvet, like a proper red velvet. She didn't tell me. She didn't tell me it was like this. So good. Oh, so good. If someone gave that to me like for my birthday, like alongside a card, I'll be so happy. I'll be so happy. That's bomb. If I got that for my birthday, Valentine's Day, Mother's Day, whatever, I would be happy. I don't know where we left off last time, but I finished laying down the carpet. I built English. I finished putting up the second shoe rack, and I just put them in the corner like that. So one's going horizontally, one's going vertically. I actually need to give my shoes a wipe since they're going to be on show. But yeah, now I'm just stuck with a bunch of random little accessories that my mum, this is the one that my mum broke, but she just gave it to me now and she managed to glue it together. Well, that side's got a big hole. Rachel got me this as my present, and I don't think they sell it anymore, so I'm making this work. I'm going to keep it, but she managed to glue it together so it can be on show this side. Oh, she lied. Why did she lie? That's why she was laughing. Oh man, now it's... Oh, she didn't glue it. She was laughing. She's like, I glued it together for you. Mummy! I'm so upset. No. Okay, she didn't fix it. So she didn't fix it. but I have a bunch of random accessories that I'm going to try and like organize on this shelf, take it all down, put it all back up and organize it and make it look all pretty, and I'll show you guys how it looks. Okay, so I've basically cleared the shelf except for that one thing which I'm not going to touch again. Gone through these drawers and organized all of these drawers. These drawers are from IKEA. I actually got these drawers on, oh my god, sorry about that guys. So I got these drawers off. These drawers are actually from IKEA. I believe they're called the Big Alex drawers. They retail for £95. However, I do think it's worth having a look on different apps to see whether you can find them for cheaper. I actually found one on Gumtree for £65, and these two on Shopput, I think it's Shopput, I'll leave the logo here, for two for £100. So one is £100, but your girl got two for £100. Every like beauty makeup guru has these. I've gone through and I've organized them. I'm thinking of labeling them but kind of making it cute. Everything in order. So in this drawer I've got all my eyelashes. Patron Cosmetics, use my code Mimi for discount. All my lashes. In here I've got all my phone cases. Here I've got a bunch of false nails, Elegant Touch, the only fake nails I wear. I got things that I need to review. All my hair dyes, I'm always changing my hair, so these are all the dyes that I have. In here I actually have you guys' drawer, so this is my giveaway drawer, all just like family and friends. This is another giveaway drawer, so things that are more giveaway stuff. My straighteners. In here I've got my a few eyeshadow palettes. That one's empty still, so that can be filled up. Here I've got face mask. In here I've got like the re-up drawer, so things that like I use all the time but it's just like extra, for example sponges, extra makeup brushes, primers, things like that. This one makes a funny noise. There I got my skincare drawer in here, and here is going to be my lipstick and lip liners that I actually use. I don't really wear a lot of colour, but the ones that I do wear I'm just going to keep in here, and you've got a few highlighter products. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and just decorate these shelves. I'm trying to go for the less is more, but that never seems to work with me. I always end up putting way too much stuff on there. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to see the rest, because there's 4 walls that I need to do. I'm currently in the middle of plastering that wall, and this wall just needs a paint, and then we can start. But gosh, this top just keeps shaking me. But yeah, make sure you stick around and subscribe to see what we do to the rest of the room. I'm also going to be doing my front room because my mum just like redecorating. My mum just literally repainted the front room, so we're gonna decorate it. Yeah, if you have any questions about any of the products that I used, please ask in the comments, or I always try my best to reply. But I feel like I have mentioned a lot of the things throughout this video. But if you want the links to anything, or you want to know where I got anything, please ask me down below. And yeah, I'll see you guys. Please subscribe, it really helps. It helps, please. My next video, I'll see you guys in part 2 when I decorate the rest of the room. Bye guys.